Hello everyone, it's Elizabeth. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily and quickly remove gel nail polish. I know it can be such a pain sometimes, but with this kit from Beetles, it's going to be a super fast and easy process, so let me walk you through it. This kit comes with everything that you need to remove your gel nail polish. You first get some nail polish removing pads that are lint-free, some of these amazing nail clips that are going to be a huge lifesaver when it comes to removing gel nail polish, a light nail buffer, a coarse nail file, a metal nail scraping tool, a nail dusting brush, and some cuticle oil to rehydrate your nails. The first and most important step to removing your gel nail polish is taking a coarse nail file and filing away the shiny top coat part of your gel. Without this step, when you later try to use acetone to remove the gel, the acetone won't be able to penetrate through the top coat for easy removal. You'll want to make sure that your nails are nice and matte from the filing before moving on. This next step is taking some of the nail polish removing pads and soaking them into some acetone, and then taking these amazing nail clips and clamping them onto your nails, and then giving it a nice press to make sure that the nail polish removing pad is adhered properly to your nail. And to make sure that you have enough acetone on the removing pad is when you give the nail clamp a little squeeze, you should have some acetone that kind of leaks out. That makes sure you know that you have enough acetone to do the soaking. Once you have all of your nails in the clips and soaking, you're going to want to wait at least 10 minutes before you check on them, so make sure you're watching a Netflix show or some YouTube videos and have them queued up so that you're not super bored while you're waiting for your nails. After I waited 10 minutes, I'm checking on each nail individually. You can see that some of the gel started to bubble up, so I'm taking the metal scraping tool and very gently starting to scrape away at some of the gel. If some of the gel doesn't want to budge, then I'm going to go ahead and re-soak each nail that needs it. But you really want to make sure that you're gently scraping at your nail. You don't want to do this aggressively or else you can cause damage to your nails. Since some of the gel just really didn't want to leave my nail, I'm going to take another one of the nail polish removing pads soaked into more acetone, and I'm going to wait another 5 to 10 minutes. I'm then going to repeat this process for each of my nails. If you're finding that your gel polish isn't bubbling up like this, you probably need to file off more of that top coat to make sure they're even more matte, or you need to use a little bit more acetone, or you need to wait a little bit longer. After another 5 minutes, I'm checking on each of my nails again to see if they are finally ready, and I was able to gently scrape off the remaining gel polish. Again, you might need to do this 2 or 3 more times, but it's really important that you are removing your gel in a really nice and safe way. That way you don't cause damage to your nails and they're able to grow out nice and long and strong and healthy. Here you can see that there's some excess gel on my middle finger, so again, I would just need to repeat the process of re-soaking. Finally, once all of my nails are rid of all the gel, I'm taking some of the cuticle oil and rehydrating my nails since acetone is extremely drying to your nails. And that is it for how you remove your gel nail polish super easily and quickly. Although it does take about 20 to 30 minutes, I think it's super worth it for making sure that your nails remain nice and healthy. And I still think that half an hour isn't too bad for waiting for your nail polish to be removed, especially since gel lasts such a long time on the nails. So I really hope this video was helpful for you guys. I hope you learned something about how to remove gel nail polish very easily from your nails. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below and I'll be sure to answer them them for you. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.